Mad Fury season has been taking a place in the backseat, but one of the plays that is still holding is Disco. Disco is still a 70K market cap. So, yeah. I mean, obviously, Mystery went to 0. Toki went to 0 because Mystery went to 0. But given the fact that Disco was on Solana, it didn't really get affected that much. So, community is still very active from what I saw. Oh, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. I didn't know they posted, but thank you, bro. The team is still grinding. I mean, this is definitely better than all the other teams on Ethereum. God damn. You guys are so active. You can see that it is so undervalued because the community is so active. They burned 40% of the supply in total. With a team being super active, 40% of the supply burned. So supply burned is a real supply shock, as we used to say in the industry. 70K market cap only? Really? I guess it's finding a floor around here. Yeah, it's pretty much a support. It's pretty much a support. It shouldn't take much to move it a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, looking quite good. It's probably gonna send if the team keeps delivering. Yeah. Looking good. Looking pretty good. I'm new in your group. I could have called at 60K. Please do, bro. Yeah, I'm mostly focusing on utility coins right now. But I'm still going to bid memes that look good. Why not?